Hello and welcome to this new video where we will learn about two important Python libraries for machine learning, Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. First, let's talk about Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is an open-source Python library widely used for machine learning and data mining tasks. It provides simple and efficient tools for data analysis and modeling. Let's see a quick example of classification using the Scikit-learn library. In this example, we imported the necessary modules from Scikit-learn and used the k-neighbors classifier to classify the famous iris dataset. We also measured the accuracy of our model using the metrics module. Now, let's talk about TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source library developed by Google for machine learning and deep learning tasks. It can be used for various tasks, but it's most commonly used for training large-scale deep learning models. Let's see a simple example of using TensorFlow to create a neural network. In this example, we imported TensorFlow and used the Keras API to create a simple feed-forward neural network. The model consists of two layers, a dense layer with 32 units and a ReLU activation function, and an output layer with a single unit and a sigmoid activation function. We then compiled the model with a stochastic gradient descent optimizer and a binary cross entropy loss function. In summary, Scikit-learn and TensorFlow are two powerful libraries for machine learning in Python. Scikit-learn is mainly used for traditional machine learning tasks, while TensorFlow is used for deep learning tasks. Both libraries offer a wide range of algorithms and tools for building, training, and evaluating machine learning models. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.